So now we'll take a look here at functions, and functions breaks down our computing even further. So what we do have is we have a managed VM, and we also have managed containers. So we're not responsible for the containers or the VMs. The cloud provider has ones for us, and this is known as serverless compute because you don't have to worry about like setting up the containers or setting up the VMs or anything. All you need to do is upload your code and choose the amount of memory and duration that you need, and you're only responsible for the code and data and nothing else. So it's extremely cost effective, and you only pay for the time the code runs. VMs only run when there is code to be executed. The only downside to functions or serverless compute is that they generally have a cold start. So the VM that runs the containers that need to be launched, and so there's that time it takes for it to launch, and that's the only downside. But there are ways around it. But the point is that with serverless or serverless compute, you can see that there's a lot less responsibility that you have to manage, but there is lack of flexibility because you're constrained with whatever those managed containers have. But anyway, that's functions.